Hello again folks, today I thought I would share with you this fantastic Walsall 2000. It's a 5-lever padlock, it is beefy as hell. This weighs 70 grams, which is 2 ounces 14 grams. Really weighty lock. The shackle on it is enormous. Let's just see in millimeters. Yeah, so over 12mm shackle. It's a beast. Closed shackle as well, as you can see. Let's move those to one side. Now, I can't pick this straight off. It takes me several attempts. Last night I sat in a chair and I had about 12 goes and I managed to get it on camera. So let's just have a little look at this. So we have got stainless steel external plates, laminated steel internal rims, 5 brass levers, 2 steel zinc plated keys, steel case hardened black chrome plated shackle, steel swivel on the keyhole, black chrome plated cover, sorry, and a steel swivel. So yeah, very good lock. I'd certainly use one of these. It's a pig to pick. Loads of false gates in it, all in the right places. So let's keep it titles and then you can watch me pick it. There's no talking over it. I'm just sat in the chair watching telly with Mrs. and Henry, and I'm just sat in the chair picking it. But yeah, let's roll the titles and then you can see me pop this bad boy. And yeah, hope you enjoy.
There'll be something on the body. You will not be going in the runway naked. How are you coping on?
Got to do this last bit of chiffon.
Oh, right. Not very well pressed.
It was really difficult. I'm going to hand stitch some beading on the top there.
I'm hoping it will cover up all the...
Cover up all the sins.
That's a very gold dress, isn't it?
While the rest of the dresses are taking shape,
I'm attaching my skirt to my top to make a dress.
Yasmin is struggling to keep up.
I'd like this to be done.
Yasmin's, I think, is really chic. She has still got a bit to do, though. She's still got to finish her skirt, and then she is still hoping to get a hat made. It'd be nice if she does. But she's sort of assembled the whole skirt. She's just got a panel with pleats down the centre.
This fabric's a nightmare. This lace is so bouncy, it doesn't feed through the machine.
Does it not?
No.
Kurt, she's now working on the waistcoat. She's putting the binding slightly.
Oh, it's so 1920s. Oh.
It always looks pretty good.
I like the back.
The back is much more interesting than the front. The front has just got a little bit of trim, and otherwise it looks quite plain. All the drama is happening here.
The front is simple, but it's going to look good.
A bit bouncy on the side, on the armpit, but you know what, I'm okay with that.
Now, Kit, the top's really badly pressed.
Well, it looks like he's got some beads. I think he has to be very careful about how much of it he puts on there, because it doesn't want to look like it's just been dumped on as an afterthought. I'm going to try and get this done in 5 minutes. How long have we got left?
You've got half an hour left, everybody.
This is what we have to do. I've still got lots that I need to do.
It's going to be tight on time, so I'm doing all this hand stitching